Welcome to the University of South Carolina Upstate. God bless and thank you.
Hey y'all, make sure you come down to the Premier Fair where you can learn about all the different organizations on campus and even some community partners. There's a lot of free giveaways, there's even ices, so make sure you bring a bag.
Yes, this is great. The Premier Fair is excellent. You students get a chance to experience all of what's going on campus, get involved, get invited to certain types of to join in with certain type of events. So I'm excited about all the people who will participate in the career fair. Kudos to Student Affairs again for their great leadership, and all of those who are participating, the student organization, community organization. It's a great opportunity to learn more about what's happening. Thank you.
Has this event helped you find any clubs you might find interesting?
Yeah, I would say so. The soccer club is definitely one that I'll kind of be interested in and see if I can manage it.